Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Another great day over at Walgreens, the new week and a lot of great deals. So I'm pretty excited by this. And the happiest thing is to get a $40 basket and to get $19 back. Yes, the boosters were stacking for me. Before we dive into these deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today so you could save even more money. Okay, first deal we're going to talk about are just freebies and cheapies without boosters, because I know not everybody wants to do booster deals. You got to do these deals in store because they're involving register rewards, and we're going to be looking for these $3 OralB Vivid toothbrushes. They were tagged at my store, so I grabbed 4 of them for exactly $12. We have this digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 6 off of 4. Make sure you only have this guy loaded specifically. So grabbing 4 of those toothbrushes, guys, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $6 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal without a booster. But if you're using a booster, you got to pay the balance with your debit card. And then just to show you guys, like, did it print for you or is she lying again? Here's the $6 register reward. The Hersheys chocolates this week are $3 a pop. If you want to get like whatever the flavored ones are, they have to be the holiday themed ones. Or alternatively, if you wanted to get like the Reese's Bells, which are a smaller peanut butter cup, like whatever your baking needs involve. But I think these Grinch ones are so adorable, so I grabbed 2 bags of that. And yes, I bought the deal because I'm always like, I don't like chocolate, but I finally did it today. You can alternatively get these ones, which are the little bells of chocolates, but it has to be the Hersheys brand. We have this digital coupon, which is a 2 off of 2 manufacturer. This showed up a couple weeks back, so if you used it, sorry in advance. It's of a one-time use, but the IVC is not, and we have $1 off of 2. So grabbing 2 of those bags, and I went with the Hersheys Grinch because I thought they were kind of a novelty item. That's 6 on the nose. Subtracting the manufacturer and the IVC, you're paying $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bag. And if you're doing this without a booster, you're just going into the store getting a couple of cheapy freebies, use $3 in Walgreens cash and call this a very good deal. One of my favorite deals is when these Dawn dish soaps are printing out a little register reward. They're $1.24 this week. Buy 2, get back $1 register reward. I am Team Blue Dawn. I don't know about you guys, but I love this. So I grabbed 2 of them for exactly $2.48. Now, if you're doing this no booster, you could just roll $2 in Walgreens cash, pay that 48 cents, and get back $1 register reward. I typed it all out for you guys. Remember, if you're doing this no booster, you can roll that Walgreens cash, but if you're doing it with a booster, you have to pay the balance with your debit card or cash. And just to let you guys know too, if you wanted to do more than one transaction, like say you wanted to do you wanted to get 4 of these bottles, two transactions you'd have to do, because that register reward will only print once per transaction. And then just to show you guys, it printed for me. Here's my $1 register reward. So I am pretty happy with this. Everyone's favorite is the Pantene. They are $5 a pop this week, and we got a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that appeared this morning, so that is really great. These are the smaller bottles. It's not the big mamas, but you know, 3 of them, you can do a lot with that. And the promotion for this is to buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Now, this is not on the same promotion as the Tide. I checked the tags and I was like, oh, they're different. And we're going to load this digital, which is the 5 off of 3. So I am not angry about this one. So grabbing 3 of these guys, that's 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 10. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per shampoo or conditioner or a mix and match of whatever you're going to get. And if you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. But if you're doing it with a booster, you got to pay down the balance with your debit card or cash. And here's our friend. It printed out for me, $5 register reward. Okay, the next deal is with the P&G laundry. We're going to grab 4 of these products, and we have to mix and match because I have digital coupons to go with all these items that include the Tide Pods. I have $1.50 for this guy, $1.50 for the liquid. I think these digital coupons appeared last week, but they're in play right now. And then the dryer sheets, we have $1 for that. I grabbed the regular dryer sheets. I wonder why I didn't get free and gentle. I guess I wasn't thinking this morning. And I also got one of these fancy dancy Downy Combs. I guess I was feeling fancy today. So I grabbed one of each of those laundry care products. And then I loaded these 4 digital coupons, and I didn't use them last week or the week before on this store card, so I was able to use them this week. So the math for this, 4 of these laundry care products is $21.96. Subtracting $5 in digitals, pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 for Tide. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And then just to show you the register reward printed, all these deals with register rewards also must be done in store for all the new shoppers out there. Okay, guys, so this is my $40 deal that I did. I had these 2 boosters loaded, 10 back when you spend $35, which is a digital, and the paper one was just 9 back when you spend $40. I went yesterday and bought some paper towel, and they printed for me out of the register reward machine, the one on the top. So this is what we have, 4 P&G laundry care products that include a Tide Pod, a Tide Liquid, a Downy, and a Bounce. 3 of my friends, which are the Pantenes, and then 2 of the Hersheys Kisses. This is just like 43 buckos around there. Okay, so the 4 laundry care products for $21.96, the 3 Pantenes for $15, and the 2 Holiday Kisses for $6, for a total of $42.96. Got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend $40 and had my booster loaded. The $1 IVC came off for the Kisses, so the new total was $41.96. I had $12 in digitals that came off. That whole melange for the Tide products, $5 off there. The 5 off 3 for the Pantene. And the $2 for the Kisses, so that's $12, and I showed you all of those coupons in the slides previous. Pay $21.96 with your debit card, get back $19 in Walgreens cash, and $10 in register rewards, making this, 96 cents for this haul? Absolutely terrific. As you're using 2 juggling boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Just to show you guys, here are my 2 register rewards that printed for me for both the Tide and the Pantene. So that right there is a little bit of magic when they print. Now, to pay $29 and some change out of pocket is a little bit much. I will admit that. So what I did was I had a $15 register reward and a $3 register reward. The 2 at the top for Olay and I think Garnier last week. I used both of them to get an extra $18 back, $18 off. And I got the cashier to scan every single product, and they attached, they worked. And then just to show you the register rewards that I used, a $3 and a $15, so that's an extra $18 off. So if you have register rewards, go for it. If you're just going to buy one product and try and stack like 6 register rewards, they're going to start beeping. But a basket like this, where you have a little bit of wiggle room, yes, you can use multiple register rewards, and it worked for me. I just showed you the receipt and the ones that I used. Okay, so this is one item we've been talking about a lot on this channel, the $5.99. It's a little squishable Hello Kitty that looks like a gingerbread. It's about 5 inches, so it's itty bitty. I found it in a center cap, like in a display with all the Christmas stuff where they had some squishimals and different holiday themed stuff. It is super adorable. They have another one at Walmart that's $12.98 and it's like 11 inches or 10 inches. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit more spectacular than the smaller one, but this one is still absolutely adorable. As we're getting towards the end of the year, lots of items are, just a little bit percentage off, either 10, 20, 25% off. So everything from candy, baby stuff, shampoo, deodorant, body wash, throughout the store, starting to see these orange stickers all over the place, like this shampoo, 50% off. I mean, if we have a deal for really cheap Suave, I think there is one, 25, get 10 back. But I'm talking like, buy 2, get $5 back. We'll definitely visit some of these deals. But if you are really specific or, you need some diapers, it's not huge savings, like $1 or $2 off. I like deals better. But there's a lot of these orange stickers. And typically what happens is towards December, one of these Tuesdays or Saturdays, it'll probably hit 75 or 90 and most of this stuff will be gone. But I'm starting to see a lot of stickers, so you might want to keep an eye out, especially if you're a clearance shopper. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.